gonna go downstairs and visit my grandma and see what happens when we say snow. And there's no point. Don't know if you can see. But there is snow outside at the moment. We had no school today. Yes! We're going into unforbidden territory. Hey, Grandma! Hey, Grandma! No!
Excuse me, I'll be back shortly.
It's snow.
No, you.
What goes through your mind when we say the word snow? What goes through your mind when we say the word snow?
Dirty.
Hey, look, cat. No, don't even blame it. Don't kick me now.